In this hot tub hack, we're going to look at how to use your chemicals, how to check your chemical levels and how to administer them safely. We'll begin by looking at no foam. No foam isn't something you'll be using regularly, it's just when there's an excess of foam build up in your hot tub, probably from excess detergent in your swimming costumes. All you need to do is pour a small amount into your hot tub with all your jets running and you should see it clear automatically. Next, we will look at how to use your test strips. You will either have bromine test strips or you'll have chlorine test strips. They're both the same application. What you do is you take a strip out of the tub, dunk it into the water for a few seconds, swirling it around, taking it back out again, just giving it a quick shake, and then you can see the measurements on the back of the container. As you can see, the colour chart indicator shows you whether you need to add bromine, need to adjust the pH levels or the alkalinity levels. I know from personal experience of owning my own hot tub that the easiest way to look after and keep my water sanitised is by using chlorine or bromine tablets into floating dispenser. I find all I need to do is once a week take 3 tablets out of the container, put them in the floating dispenser, checking the flow level holes on the floating dispenser. You can either have 1 hole open, 2 or 3 depending on the flow of your water. Replacing the cap. The dispenser can float around in the water while I'm not using the hot tub, keeping my water nice and safe and sanitised. From time to time you might need to adjust the alkalinity levels or pH levels in your hot tub. The easiest way to do this is to use your chemical lid as a measuring spoon. All you need to do is pour a level amount of powder into the hot tub container lid. As you can see from the video that you just pour it up to the first screw line. You simply then tip it into the hot tub water with all the jets running. That will adjust the water balance in your hot tub by 1 marker on your test strips. We recommend to all our hot tub customers to sprinkle some either bromine or chlorine granules into their hot tub after each use. This makes sure that the hot tub water is sanitised perfectly all the time. To do this, add a rounded tablespoon of either your bromine or chlorine granules to your hot tub with the jets running on full power. I really hope you found this hot tub hack helpful. If it has, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, where you'll find more hot tub hacks to help you look after your hot tub.